ultra-high-speed vertical machining center, high-precision cutting, high-rigidity structures, headstock, body, saddle, base, and work table all use superior grade of cast iron. All are stress relieved to ensure maximum accuracy and absolute rigidity. 2 guideways base along with wide stance column design greatly increase contact surface between the column and machine base, which reinforce greater head support. The column is heavily ribbed with a cell-shaped structure internally to minimize twisting deformation during machining. Spindle headstock design utilizes box-shaped design, internally ribbed reinforcement for highest rigidity maximum stability, and is ideal for heavy-duty machining. Linear guideways are used on all 3 XYZ axes. Because of their high rigidity, low noise, and low friction, this helps achieve high-speed rapid movement and excellent circular accuracy. Diversified selection of controllers, Mitsubishi, Siemens, Heidenhain, Fagor, etc. It's convenient to change the module design specification. Heavy-duty cutter module. Rapid, simple, reliable, and long-life ARM-type exchange unit, optional accessory, performs stable and reliable cutter change actions. High-speed direct-driven spindle. Wide stretch design with precision angular spindle bearings. Designed specially for high speed and high precision. 10,000 to 15,000 RPM direct-driven spindles produce low noise, low vibration, and excellent surface finish. Long nose-end belt-driven spindle. 2 different spindles with special headstock design. 8,000 and 10,000 RPM are available, with dynamically balanced pulleys working with special high-torque HTD belt to prevent any slippage and to ensure smooth, high-speed rotation. Heat and noise generated during high-speed operation are dramatically reduced. Oil circulating cooling system for spindle. A high-efficiency spindle cooling system dissipates running-induced heat generation in order to maintain spindle accuracy and prolong spindle life. Use of powder coating to strengthen the appearance. The coated surface is not likely to be scratched. The new fashionable beauty back design is integral, elegant, and tasteful.